This is going to be a video tutorial on how to enable or disable camera access in Windows 10. Let me jump over to my desktop here. I am on my desktop now. To enable or disable camera access in Windows 10, the first thing you want to do is open up Settings. I'm going to go down to the lower left-hand corner of my taskbar, down to the little start icon. I'm going to right-click on the start icon. I'm going to go up to where it says Settings, and I'm going to click on Settings. Now in the dialog box that opens up here, you want to scroll down a ways down to where you see Privacy, and you want to click on Privacy. Then, on the pane off to the left-hand side, you want to scroll down a little ways to where you see the App Permissions section. And in the App Permissions section, right here is Camera. I'm going to click on Camera. Then on the center pane here, it says Camera. Allow access to the camera on this device. Right down here, it says my camera access for this device is on. I can change that right here by clicking on Change. A little dialog box will pop open. It says camera access on this device is currently on. I could disable it by clicking on the toggle. But my camera is currently on. Down below that, it says allow apps to access your camera. If this is toggled on, apps will have access to your camera. If you scroll down even further, choose which Microsoft Store apps can access your camera. There might be a list of apps down here for you. You can toggle them on or off. And then down below that is allow desktop apps to access the camera. If this is toggled on, then desktop apps will have access to your camera. That is how to enable or disable camera access in Windows 10. Thanks for watching.